What do you see?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing but love that will bring battle, blood, and death.
Well, I have never been in love before. And my people are not in dispute with any clan. So, where would the battle come from?
I see it clearly, Princess. It is imminent. It started from a hand pinching a brave heart. It will be like a seed cast on a fertile soil. It will flourish and flourish. Then, the battle, the blood, and the death will come.
You haven't answered my question. Where would the battle come from?
I answered your question, Princess. You apparently opened your eyes, not your ears.
Well, speak in a language that I would understand. Where would the battle come from?
The battle will come from that which your heart seeks dearly. Love. It will swirl you and move you around like the whirlwind. Then you will crush like a rotten cocoyam.
Honor, the great daughter of the greatest warlock of our kingdom, the daughter of the wealthiest man of this kingdom, cannot be swept off her feet with a man's mere love.
Honor. Even your father, the great Ogidika, in all his glory and stubbornness, was once a victim of love.
Well, I have never been in love with anyone, so there's not going to be any battle with that.
We are not done talking about love that brings battle, blood, and death.
There will be no love. There will be no battle, and certainly there will be no death.
Princess, love is a beautiful thing. I have lived 102 years waiting for my love to return. That hope has kept me alive. Now that, Honor, is what love can do.
What? You? Over 102 years? Now, I definitely know you are lying. How can a young maiden like you have lived over 100 years?
Go home, Honor. Tell your father, Ogidika the Great, that you met a Jew, the maiden who saved me from drowning when he was but a little girl.
Now I know your tongues are definitely filled with nothing but lies. And if my father hears this, he will crush you under his feet. I don't even know why I came here in the first place.
Love, battle, blood, and death.
Beautiful woman.
It is disrespectful for a man to stare at a woman like this from where I come from.
This sort of beauty must come from the gods. Greetings, beautiful one.
You're welcome. Sit down.
I am Obi. I have come from a faraway land.
You have come from Amayi.
They were right. You have powerful sight in seeing the future. I knew the gods would take me to the right place.
Be silent and listen. Noise is forbidden here.
Here, tell me the future.
I do not read the palm.
I want you to read my palm.
I do not read the palm, young man. My daughter can attend to you if you want your palm read.
What is the difference between reading the palm and soothsaying? Do they not talk about the future?
I do not repeat myself, but just this once. This once. If you want your palm read, you will go to my daughter behind the house. I am a soothsayer. And if you want me to attend to you, pick up the cowries and cast them on the floor.
What is that look on your eyes?
What look?
You know what I'm talking about.
Go to the back of the house, young man. My daughter will attend to you. Be the one.
Greetings, Ini.
Greetings, my son.
I am here to see the girl that reads palms.
My mother sent you to me. Sit down.
Your mother? No. I am not here to see you. The maiden inside asked me to go to the back and see the girl that reads palms. Where is she?
I am her daughter.
What?
I am the palm reader.
You must be drunk, old woman. I am not here to see you. Show me the woman that reads palms.
If you want me to read your palms, sit down and open your palms.
Rubbish. I saw only but a drunken old woman at the back of the house, asking me to sit down and open my palms.
Do not refer to my daughter as a drunk.
this your daughter? What is going on? Huh? What sort of prank is this?
The old woman you saw at the back of the house is my child. My daughter. If you do not want her to attend to you, then you better go back home. I have told you, certain things are forbidden here. Noise is forbidden.
Talk to me in that manner.
You do not tell me what to and what not to do in my house. Get out! Get out and do not come back.
Mother, what is it? I heard you shouting.
Get me water to drink.
Yes, ma'am.
When I see him, I will conceive this affection of mine. And I'll rave at him for touching my face. I'll ask him, do you know the daughter of whom I am? Yes. That is what I will do.
Mother, here it is. Mother, what do we do for this young man?
Take him outside.
Go outside before you get my mother angry.
Certainly it is obvious both of you do not know how to treat strangers.
Go outside! Go back to where you come from. I can take anything from you, but not you provoking my mother. Go!
Where am I? Am I dreaming? Yes. I am dreaming. Wake up.
No, it can't be. Can't be.
Why are you crying?
Get your hands off me.
Can I ask you a question?
I asked you to shut up and get out.
I am obeying. No one tells me to shut up.
Be a song. No one tells you to shut up. You are OBIO. Obiasogu. Do you remember what you did to Ubani? Prince Ubani?
Lizzy, I still do not know what you're talking about.
How will it sound to the ears that I, Honor, the daughter of the great Ogidiga, is standing on the village path waiting for a total stranger? No. I have to go home. Yes.
Can you tell me what is going on?
Shh. Silence. Obiasogu. Why haven't you crossed my path since you returned?
Obiasogu? I've heard that name before. My mother told me he was a great warrior. Do you know him?
Do you want to know him?
Yes. Do you know him?
Yes.
Can you cast some cowries and tell me more about him? Even though that is not why I am here.
I do not need to cast cowries to tell you about Obiasogu. You are Obiasogu. My love. The minute you stepped in here, my heart skipped. Something in me moved. Obiasogu, I have been waiting for you.
I am not Obiasogu. I am OBIO. Stop acting like you're drunk.
I am not drunk, and don't you call me drunk again.
Then stop acting like one.
You haven't changed.
See what I'm talking about? You and that old woman are clearly drunk.
Then get out of here. You're still the same rude, proud Obiasogu. Do you know what I have been through waiting for you? I have been lonely.
You have made my mother cry. She hasn't cried in 60 years. Now get out. Out!
Yes.
Mother, it's okay. It's okay.
Obi Mary, wake up. Wake up from this dream or it will eat your head. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Abasagu! Wake up! Wake up from your dream or it will eat your head.
He is the one. He came back long ago without letting me know, without even crossing my path.
If he is the one, then you should wipe your tears.
I have seen the future. He will find it hard to love me. And when he finally does, his mother will not accept me. And when she finally accepts me, I will age in days, and my love for him will mean nothing.
I know what to do. We should make him stay longer to believe us.
My child.
Mother.
Help me.
I will. It's okay. Mother, stop crying.
You need to wake up from this dream. Wake up!
I am sorry for shouting at you.
I will not listen to you until I am sure that we are all dreaming.
You need to know everything.
I don't want to hear anything from you.
Yes, you do. Or you would have gone home.
I just want to wake up from this dream! I want to wake up!
I will help you to wake up from this dream. Come, follow me. Open your palms. I see love, tears, and love, and heartbreak. Yes.
Only man loves me with all her heart. She will not break my heart.
On the contrary, you will break her heart when you will go back to your first love, a woman you promised under an oath to love in death and new life.
I have never taken any oath with any woman or promised any woman love apart from Ulima.
Yes, you have. It is clear here before me. The oath said, in death and in new life.
You're talking rubbish! Drunken old woman!
A shrewd woman is waiting for you along the road. And she will steal one thing you so much value.
Listen, I think I am done listening to you and your daughter, or whatever she is. I'll wake up from this dream.
Your life was taken away from you because of your stubbornness. And now you want—
Stop it!
Mother, do you love him?
Yes. I do.
For what I saw in his palm, he will come back for you. He will.
I have to wake up from this dream. How did I end up here?
Are you from this clan?
Yes. No. I am from Ami.
Well, I am Ona, the daughter of the great Ugidiga of Anupa.
Obi Mary.
So what will you tell me about this man standing before me?
I am just a man, struggling to understand the existence of the things around him.
Say you're coming. I have to be on my way now.
Let me walk you to the pantry.
I wouldn't mind. What is the name of the woman you want to marry?
Her name is Olumma. She's the most beautiful woman I have ever seen. Honor! Honor, please wait! Please, I was only trying to say...
That you don't feel anything for me. Or that I appear too cheap for you. Do you know how long I stood under the sun waiting for you? I'm going home.
Your heart keeps telling you not to obey your legs.
Meet me under the tree tomorrow if you want to see me.
Could she be the reason I was asked to come to Anupa? How could she suddenly feel something for me? It's not possible. No. It's not possible.
At least I have something for my time wasted.
I should have told her to come see me, since she said she has feelings for me. No. Ulima will see her. Ojugo said I'm her lover in the past. Why is everybody obsessed with me today? Why is today mixed with confusion and unreal things?
And what is unreal about today?
Ulima, I didn't see you coming.
Why do you look worried, nervous and pathetic?
No, I'm fine.
You met a woman today. Who is she?
No, I did not meet any woman. Why?
Do not lie to me. I was told the day your love for me will be divided is the day the talisman on your wrist will disappear.
What? I don't know what happened to it. I don't know where I misplaced it.
So, to give the talisman I gave to you to another woman?
No, I did not give it to any woman.
Then, who was the woman you spent all of your day with?
Honor, you thief!
Ulima, what happened? Where is Obimere running to? He has started seeing another woman, and I will not forgive him until he swears never to do it again. Another woman?
Have you come so soon to say you're sorry to me?
Where is my talisman?
Talisman? What talisman?
It was on my wrist when you hugged me.
You're a careless man. And I did not see any talisman on your wrist when I hugged you. The last time I saw a talisman on your wrist was at Ojugo's house. Maybe she has taken it away from you with magic.
How could she have stolen from me?
Well, I demand an apology.
Please forgive me.
Will you come see me under the tree tomorrow?
I have to go get my talisman first.
Will you come or not?
Where is she?
Mother, he has come back.
How could you have stolen from me? Where's my talisman?
What talisman?
Give it to me! I will hurt you!
What are you talking about?
What is wrong with you? How could you hit my mother? The woman you met along the road. The talisman is hidden under her left arm. Now listen. Until you come here and crawl on your knees, you shall come face to face with pain every day of your life. You're wicked. Oh. Mother, sorry. Sorry.
God of Allah, if this is a dream, let me wake up from it. Or if it is not, save me from more trouble and more cause. Greetings, Nai.
Greetings. What is chasing you?
Ah, no, nothing. Please, I'm looking for the house of Ogidi of Anukpa.
Oh, Ogidi of Anukpa.
Yes, yes.
You are in Emure right now.
Okay.
Go straight. When you get to that tree over there,
okay,
just turn right.
Okay.
You
Thank you. Thank you.
Hope all is well. Well, what can tell?
What a sweet upline.
Very good.
You see?
The tapa is a very good one.
Greetings, Father.
Yes, Ona, where have you been since morning?
I went on a tour on the outskirts of our village.
And you went alone?
Yes, and I was unfortunate to meet Ojugo, the fortune teller.
Ojugo?
Ojugo?
Yes. Father, the woman is ridiculous. She told me she once saved your life from drowning as a little boy. She's such a clown. Father.
Where's she? Huh? Where's she? Where's my talisman?
What is wrong with you? Are you still calling me a thief?
I'm already angry because I have been cursed. Give me my talisman or I will cut off your head.
Excuse me, young man. What is it? Do you know whose house you are in now?
I don't care where I am or whose house I am. Tell your daughter to give me what you stole from me or I will cut off her head. I'll kill somebody before you.
I didn't steal from you. I did not steal from you.
Huh? Young man, get out of this house before I sever your head. Out! Get out. Ona.
I'll come back for you. Ona!
Obi, wait.
Wait where? Wait! Wait! Where? Ona, come here! Ona! Out! What kind of stupidity is this?
This is an embarrassment. Huh?
Obi.
Stay off me! How could you steal from me? Do you know what your action has cost me today? Do you know a curse has been placed on my head?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I just wanted you to come back. I love you.
No, you don't love me. You don't steal from people you love.
I did not steal it. I just took it. I took it.
Yes, you took it. You grabbed it. You fingered it. Stay off!
Obi! Obi!
Love the uta, oh well se memonaru. Love makakwa, oh well se atamuno bimu.
What kind of nonsense?
Who was that young man?
Were you not here with me when he walked in?
Ona did say that she saw Ojugo, the fortune teller.
That has actually left me in confusion.
That is not possible. It's not possible. She said that Ojugo saved you from drowning. Is it true?
I can remember vividly that they made a save to me from drowning when I was a boy. But I do not know where she came from.
My daughter, what is it?
Nothing.
Nothing. Lima. Lima, please. Please, I'm sorry. Someone stole it from me.
What makes you think you can lie to me? You spent the whole day with her and gave her the talisman.
That is not true.
I went on a mission.
Mission indeed. Who is Ona?
She's a woman I met on my way to Ojugo's house.
And you expressed your love to her with a gift I gave you for her love?
Oh, please believe me. She stole it from me.
No woman can steal anything from you if you do not slip into her bed.
Stop it. Stop accusing me. I did not slip into anybody's bed. Stop accusing me. I've been so faithful to you.
Are you shouting at me? Get out and do not come back.
Please, beg her for me. Please.
Can you tell me what is going on? Tell me!
A woman from Anukba stole my talisman.
What are you talking about? A woman from Anukba stole from you? How is that possible?
Please. Beg her, please. I love her so much, please. Please.
It's alright. I'll talk to her later.
Love you to well go see memonaru. Love makakwa well go see atomuno bimuo. Ayimoya fulunanya chelu mukangwa gife onye mbuno bimuo gemunti nonu. Where you go, I will wait. My heart will stay forever. I will wait. Crazy love. Strange feeling. I will go say memuna. I will go say memuna. I will go say memuna. I will go say memuna.
Obimere, what is wrong? Where have you been?
Nothing has gone wrong yet, Mother.
Nothing has gone wrong yet. Did you have problem with Ulimma? Your food is inside.
It's a dream day today. I hope I'm dreaming. All this had better be dream, because that woman's curse might come to pass.
What dream are you talking about? And what cause?
There is no problem yet, Mother.
This is the problem with you. You keep a lot of secrets.
Mother, there is no secret.
Can you please tell me who laid a curse on you? Did you beat an old woman?
I went to see Ojugo, the fortune teller.
Ojugo, the fortune teller. Are you alright?
Yes. Mother, I am alright. Ulema asked me to go see her. I went there and strange things happened.
Ah. That is not possible. Ojugo, the fortune teller, only exists in folk tales or in the dream of the innocent people. Ojugo doesn't exist in reality.
Mother, Ojugo exists in reality. I was in her house today.
Now I know you are really dreaming. Yes.
Oh. Mother, are you saying we are all dreaming?
Go and break the firewood for me. Wait, oh. Wait. Did you say Ulima asked him to go and see Ojugo. I know it must be Wada that initiated this idea. Yes. It must be Wada. But why would they send my son to such a dreamland? No. I have to caution her. I have to caution Wada. Now they've left my son daydreaming. No. I have to caution Wada. I have to caution Wada.
If you had listened to me when he was crawling around you and accepted another man as husband, you would have been crying the way you're doing right now.
Mother, I love him.
You love him. Does he love you back? Because if he loved you, he wouldn't have slept with another woman. Because true love is jealous.
Ulima! 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 Did you send my son on a vague adventure to see Ojugo? A woman that doesn't exist? Is that why you come to my house with a cutlass?
Your son wanted a beautiful woman to wife, so he had to go on such an adventure.
Wada, how could you?
Remove that thing from my face.
I knew it. I already know you are the one that initiated this plan. You and I know Ojugo doesn't exist. Wada, you. Wada Nginwa!
And who says she does not exist?
Wada, if anything happens to my son, if anything happens to my son, I repeat, Wada, I will deal with you. Wada, I will deal with you.
You don't come to my house. You know what I'm capable of doing.
You can do nothing.
Get out and go.
Wada, you can do nothing. What if you get me? Malo tell him.
This is what you cost.
You see? Useless that comes to my house to threaten me.
And you keep quiet. Shut your mouth. You see what you call that lily livered would that come to my house to talk to me? Threaten me in my own house. Oh, shut up, let me hear. Shut your mouth.
He called me beauty from the gods. I've not seen you this happy in a while. He is so handsome. My heart leaps each time I think of him. You're in love? Maybe it's more than love. I can't explain it. It is love. It is love at the right time. Exactly. Love at the right time. I'm happy for you. What is his name? His name is OBIO. Be merry. I'm so happy for you. Thank you. If he loves me, he will come back crawling on his knees by sunset. What if another woman is secretly occupying him? No. Lima, get rid of this thought from your head. Get rid of it.
Wise one.
Yes?
From what I heard, he actually saw Ojugo. Do you know I never knew Ojugo is still alive all this while?
Wada.
when you came here to ask about the fate of your daughter and Obina, did I not tell you to let them be?
You did, but Obina is too poor to marry my daughter.
So, what do you want me to tell you? I will not say anything.
Until you come here and crawl on your knees, you shall come face to face with pain every day of your life.
Son, you are still awake.
Yes, mother. I have come to understand that today was not a dream after all. Because I have come face to face with strange reality.
Apart from Ojugo, is there any other thing you want us to talk about?
Yes. Please tell me about Obiasogo.
Obiasogo is a warlord in the ancient stories.
So where is he from?
He lives in the stories. That's all I know.
Then tell me about the story.
My son, it is late. Okay? Besides, I don't know the whole story.
I see. My mother does not know the story about Obiasogo, but she knows that Obiasogo lives in stories. Alright. You can go to bed.
Mother, please, eat your food. Mother, you wouldn't want to eat this food when it is cold, so eat.
I do not need to cast calories to tell you about Obiasogo. You are Obiasogo. My love. The minute you stepped in here, my heart skipped. Something in me moved. Obiasogo, I have been waiting for you.
I am not Obiasogo. I am Obemere. Stop acting like you're drunk.
I am not drunk, and don't you call me drunk again.
Then stop acting like one.
You haven't changed. Obiasogo. He hit me with his sword. He has forgotten the pain I went through for his sake. He has forgotten all of the sacrifices I made for his sake.
Mother, you want to make me cry.
He has forgotten. Obiasogo has forgotten. How can he forget? All the pain I bore for his sake, how can he forget?
Honor.
Father.
Tell me, where did you say you went to today?
Father, I went to see Ojugo, the fortune teller. I went to find out why I don't feel anything for men. But it turned out to be my greatest venture ever. Even though that woman's tongue is filled with lies.
Oh no. Probably you were dreaming. Or you got drunk somewhere and you began to daydream about the whole tale of Ojugo. But I want to warn you, don't ever say such thing or say anything about Ojugo again in this house.
Father.
Do I make myself clear?
Father, have I ever lied to you before?
I have not said so, but I don't want to ever see you become a liar. Do I make myself clear? Let me go and have my sleep now. Let me go and have my sleep.
Why are you asking this?
Because I want to know.
This is a figment of your imagination.
Figment of my imagination? I do not want to believe that this dream lingers on.
Dream? What dream?
What are you doing here?
I have come to ask for your forgiveness.
I do not want to hear you speak. Go home to your father.
I am sorry.
You are sorry. Do you know what your madness has put me into today? I was caused by that old drunken woman at Ojugo's house.
Look, I know what we can do to reverse the course.
Go home to your father. I don't want to talk to you. You've caused me a lot already.
Greetings, Ini.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
You are not from this village.
I am from Anupa.
Yes. Your people are known for their beauty. But yours is beyond words. It is astonishing. Yes.
Thank you, Ini. Thank you.
You're welcome, my daughter. Obi, get her a seat. Let her sit down.
Mother, she does not need a seat.
I need a seat. I want to sit down, Mother.
Nne, please sit.
Thank you, Ini. Sit.
I want to have a moment.
I will not let you stay here.
Where did you see this beautiful lady?
But she told you herself she's from Anupa.
How did you meet her? If you bring this kind of woman home, I wouldn't mind giving you all my support. At least Wanda and her daughter Ulima will stop tormenting your life.
Mother, nobody's tormenting my life. Please let me go and continue what I was doing.
Then go and get her something to eat.
She does not need food.
Hey.
Can I have some water, please?
Drink and go home.
Ne.
My daughter,
I have to go now.
You want to go now?
Yes.
Obi, go and see her off.
Mother, she did not say she wanted me to see her off.
Obi, I want you to see me off.
My daughter, greet your mother for me.
I will. Thank you so much, Ini.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Obi, do you realize I am a woman and I need to be understood?
I don't have time to understand it, Chief.
Stop calling me that! What is wrong with you? What do you think you are? Do you know the daughter of whom I am? Or is it because I'm crawling and begging for your forgiveness? Who is your father?
Are you talking to me like that? Is this how corny you could be? By making me feel guilty after you have stolen from me? I guess you know your way home. Please go home.
Do not to walk out on me. No one walks out on me. Men like you bow and crawl at my feet when I walk past in Anopa.
This is not Anopa.
You are a lunatic.
Don't let me rest my hand on you.
Well, I am not done talking to you. I am not done talking to you.
What is wrong with you?
What are you scared of? You're scared of falling in love with me?
I do not love you. I can never love a rude and proud woman like you.
Obi.
Let me go. Leave me alone. Don't let me push you.
Stop behaving like a child, Obi.
Let me go.
Come on, Obi. I love you, Obi. I am madly in love with you, can't you see?
I knew it. I knew you were this cheap.
Well, you started being cheap first. Yes, you started being cheap from the very first day you laid your eyes on me. Obi, I love you very much. I am caught up in your web of love and it holds me firmly.
I don't care if you've fallen in love with the gods before. Let me go. Don't let me push you into the bush.
Well, push me. Push me, Obi, and prove to me that you're a woman beater.
Where you go, I will wait. My heart will stay
Let's go.
forever. I will wait. Crazy love, strange feeling. I will dance, Memuna.
What happened to her?
My waist.
Let her lie down here.
Hey!
Lie down here. Take it easy. Obi, go in and get some hot water. Fast, fast. Sorry, fast.
Yes. Where is my daughter?
She's not in her hut, my lord.
And where did she tell you she was going to?
She said she was going for a walk.
Why didn't you go with her? Huh?
I was making your soup, my lord.
Now go to her maternal home and look for her there.
Yes, my lord.
Hurry up.
What exactly happened to her?
It was an accident.
Accident? What type of accident? Did she jump down from a hill or from on top of a tree?
But I pushed her.
You pushed her? Ha, Obi. When would you learn to control your temper?
It was an accident.
Stop saying that. Now tell me, what do we tell her people when they come looking for her? Tell me. Look at what you did.
Mother, I'm sorry. Please, let's take her to Tibia.
Hi. You have to take care of her while I go to the Dibia myself and get some herbs. Keep massaging her waist. Come, do it here. Start doing it immediately.
She's beautiful. You are beautiful. Very beautiful.
I heard that. Your mother said you should massage my waist and not touch my face.
I am sorry for pushing you.
I forgive you, my lord.
What did you call me?
My lord. Soon you'll be caught up in this web of love. Maybe then you'll give me a name too.
Obirika, I came as soon as I heard.
It was urgent. What is it?
Honor, my daughter left this house this morning. And I don't know where she has gone to.
Have you sent somebody to her maternal home?
I have. And she's not there.
Could it be what I am thinking?
What?
You could have gone back to Ojugo.
Ojugo? I didn't believe it when she said she met Ojugo.
Let us go and see to ourselves.
Where do we go to? How do we find her?
When we get to her village, we ask people. Yep.
Mother, you're back.
Yes, I'm back. So she could drink this.
Get up.
Get up, get up, get up.
Ah!
Sorry.
Oh, my waist.
Sorry, your manager. Sorry, my dear. You have to drink this now. You have to drink this. Yes, it will reduce the pain. Manage and drink it, my dear. Manage. Drink. More.
Drink so that you'll be fine. Sorry.
Drink more.
Mother is okay.
Okay. Sorry, Don't want.
My waist.
You'll be fine, okay?
Sorry.
You'll be alright.
Yes.
Is that not Ogidika of Aku?
Yes, I am. Who are you?
I'm Ezana. And the man you gave some money 7 years ago when my keg of palm got broken.
I'm very sorry. I can't remember because I have given money to so many people.
Oh, okay. What do you seek in this land?
Yes, I have come in search of my dear daughter that told me a story about one Ojugo as she was coming to visit here. I don't know if there is another Ojugo or the very Ojugo she told me about that is a fortune teller.
Children, they always seek to know everything. The Ojugo I know in this kingdom died long ago. She is now history. We only tell story about her because of her famous nature.
I told you that Ojugo does not exist in this land. I told you that my daughter Honor has jilted her friend. She has gone away with that boy. I told you this.
Where can we find her house?
Her house could be found at the outskirts of this village. And needless for you going there because nobody lives there. Don't waste your energy and time in going there. You cannot find anybody there.
Anyway, thank you very much.
Okay, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. If not for your mood, I would ask you to follow me home so I can take some wine.
No, I am not in the mood right now.
Oh, you are not in the mood?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Those drinks.
Okay, if you say so. If you say so.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Go well as you go. Huh? Be careful.
I insist that we look for her house.
Look for whose house? A dead woman's house? Eh? We just have to go now. Please, let us...
You mean go home?
Yes, let us go. Anyway, I know what to do. Anywhere I find that boy, anywhere I find him, if I get hold of that boy, I am going to destroy him. In fact, and I am going to cut off his manhood. Honestly, let's go.
Okay.
No, let's go. Olunde.
Yes, my lord.
You have always been a very good maid. Do you know Honor's secret love affair?
No, my lord. I can swear with my life that Honor has not shown me any man as her lover. I can also swear that she's not in any affair with any man.
Shut up your mouth. Rubbish. You are talking rubbish. I now know that you are under her oath. But I tell you, you must tell me where she is and who she is with.
Believe me, my lord. I don't know where she has gone to.
Now, leave my presence immediately. Get out! Get out of my presence, quick!
Take it easy before you break the waist again.
Put your leg on the bed now.
Put my leg where? Eh? Put my leg where? You have to help me down. You want to... Ah! Obi! You want to scatter the waist you've broken already? What are you trying to do?
I want to lie down.
You want to lie down? On this small bed? This bed cannot contain you and I. Sleep on the floor. Sleep on the floor. Oh. You broke my waist. Now you want to come and lie down on this small bed. I won't be comfortable now. Stay on the floor.
I will wait. My heart will stay forever. I will wait. Crazy love, strange feeling. I will go say memuna. I will go say memuna. I will go say memuna. I will go say memuna.
Uyema. Don't tell me you're still crying over that stupid boy.
Why has he not come to see me?
Because he is very irresponsible. Because he's very irresponsible. That is why you should stop crying. Lie down and sleep so that you don't disturb my own sleep.
Stop disturbing my sleep!
Your body is warm.
So how are you feeling now?
I feel a lot better today.
Okay. Let me bring your medicine.
I want to go home. My father will be worried by now.
Obi, how is she this morning?
I'm a lot better now. Thank you.
Thank be God. Obi, go and get her herbs. Go in and get it.
Mother, she said she wants to go home.
You have to wash your mouth and face first. Then eat before you go. Obi, go. Go and get her water to wash. While I quickly prepare the meal. Fast. You know? Go.
I think I have to go and prepare the meal. Get water.
Yes.
I'll see you off.
No, you will take me home. You were the one who broke my waist in the first place. I could have walked home comfortably, but I can't. I'm in pain.
Alright. I'll stop at the boundary.
You will take me home. As a matter of fact, you carry me on your back. I can't walk.
Obi Mere, why not take her home? You can stop and get some rest when you are tired. You know?
Alright.
My waist.
Mother, she's heavy.
I know. I trust you. I know you can do it. Try your best. You know what? You can go now.
I'm coming.
Greet your mother for me, no? Try your best.
I'm coming.
So it is true. Another woman has been occupying you.
No, it's not what you think. I'm only helping her home.
You're helping her home and she's resting her whole body on you. She's even caressing your chest. I will not forgive you easily for this. I will not. What are you trying to do?
Ulima, wait, sorry. Let me explain.
What are you trying to do? Obi, I don't want my leg to touch this ground. I was on my own and you came and broke my waist. Please take me home, Obi. You have to take me home. You have to take me home. Obi, take me home. Father. Greetings, Father.
Have the guts to take my daughter to your house to sleep with her?
No, Father. Father, I can explain.
Shut up! What? Get!
Don't! He didn't even touch me!
Shut up your mouth! Shut up!
Touch me!
Get out! Go into your hut now! Out! I said... It's lucky I did not cut off his head or his manhood. Honor.
Father.
You disappointed me. You allowed that total stranger to take you home and took advantage of your entire body. And you have forgotten where you come from? No, you have forgotten the kind of person your father is.
Father, you have to hear me out first.
You shut up your mouth. Listen and listen very good. I don't want to ever see you anywhere with that useless boy, or even in this compound. And from henceforth, never you step out of this house unless I tell you to do so.
Father!
Now get out of my presence. Get out of my presence here.
Hey! What sort of problem is this? Eh? Where could he be? Look at the weather. Hey! Nanya Decoding.
Udaku, you looked worried. What is it?
Yes, I am worried. I'm worried about Obi Mere, my son. He left for Anokpa since morning. I don't know what is keeping him.
What has he gone to Anokpa to do?
He took Honor back.
Who is Honor?
She is the daughter of Ogidiga.
I don't think I know him.
Nah, please, you have to follow me to Anokpa to look for him. Biko.
Oh, Udaku. You know they are doing their Choco masquerade ritual every day. We don't need to go there today. I will go there tomorrow.
Nah, I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Nothing will happen to your son.
No.
But let me ask you. Is he in any form in affection with the maiden in question? If he is, he must be in... They might be lavishing in bliss somewhere. Go home.
Yeah?
Go home. If he's not back until cock crow, I will go to Anokpa myself and look for him. Go.
Oh no. Please. You have to eat your food. I can't stop thinking about him. I can't. I'm just worried. I fear if he's still alive or dead. He will be fine. Aluna, you can help me go look for him tomorrow and find out if he's still alive. Your father will just kill us. Aluna, you know you can help me without my father finding out. You know it. Please. I just want to know if he's still alive. That's all I ask.
Where's my son? Where's my son?
He's not home.
My son left with you. And you're here asking me whether he's not home. Where is he?
You mean he has not been back since yesterday?
Ona, my son left this house with you. Where is my son? Where is my son?
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh no. Oh no. Could it be? No.
Could it be what? Could it be what, Ona? Ona, where is my son? Eh? What happened to you? What happened to my son? Hey! Hey! Timo! Timo! What happened to my son? Hey! 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 Whoa! Hey! Timo! Timo! Hey! 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 Ona, go and bring my son back! Go and bring my son back, Ona! Ona, where's my son? Where's my son? Where's my son? Hey! Hey! Hey!
Greetings.
Where is Ona?
She's still sleeping.
What do you mean she is still sleeping?
She slept very late.
And so? Ona!
My lord, I'll wake her up when I'm done cooking. She said she's feeling cold, so I had to cover her with clothes.
Ona. Yeah, Ona, get. Anyway. Ona, I know you can hear me clearly. I want you to get that useless boy, that stranger out of your mind. Because I will never forgive him. I am going to deal with him. In fact, be sure of that. You have to watch over her. Let me go and get some herbs for her.
Yes, my lord.
I don't want her to step out of this house. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my lord.
What are you saying? That your father attacked him with a sword?
If my son is dead, tell me, so I can go and get his body. Tell me!
He left the house yesterday. I don't understand how he's not home yet. Don't.
I hope this is not happening.
Hey. Boil it and let her drink it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Daboma, greetings.
Ozeme and Dikeh. This one you brought firewood and water for me. Do you want anything?
Yes. We want you to tell us a story.
A story?
Yes.
Ozeme, it's too early to tell stories. It's too early. Ngwa, let's go. But I will not tell you a story today. Let's go.
Is she still asleep?
Yes, my lord.
Have this. Boil it and let her drink of it.
Yes, my lord.
Where's Ogidiga? Where is Ogidiga? Where is Ogidiga? Oh, Ogidiga, where did you keep my brother's son, Obimere? What happened to him? I am asking you.
Strangers don't come to my abode to bark like a dog. Your brother's son violated my daughter. I am not even done with him yet, and you are shouting, barking like a dog.
Is that why you killed him? Where did you bury him?
I don't know what you are talking about. I did not kill your brother's son. I did not bury him anywhere.
Go and ask those who know me too well. I will set your heart ablaze if you do not tell me what happened to my brother's son, Obimere.
Do it! Do it. And I will set you ablaze. Hey, Mama. Eh?
Ogidiga, if you don't provide my brother's son, I will kill your daughter.
Ona! Ona! You can't persist. Get up, get up! Ona, get up. Ona! What? Alona! 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 Conspiracy. Conspiracy. So you lied to me. You lied to me? Where is Ona?
What?
Where? Go faster, and cook those herbs fast.
Ona! You almost put me in trouble. What?
Where's Ogidiga? Where's Ogidiga? Come out! Where's he? Where's Oginiga? Where's Oginiga? Tell me, where can we find him now? He violated my daughter. Is that why you killed him? You would have done worse than that if you were in my shoes. Or would you have clapped your hands for a man who took advantage and defied your dear daughter?
Father, no one took advantage of me or defiled me.
Shut up!
Father, I fell down and broke my waist. Him and his mother took me in and took good care of me. Father, let's go and look for him.
What? Where do we find him? Where?
Let the copy, my good old friend.
Put it down.
Sheath your sword.
Ask him to provide my brother's son now.
We will join hands together and search for him. I hope we will find him. Yes.
I will go home. But I will come back with our warriors. These things you call hearts, we will set them ablaze. We will give you war. We will kill you. We have to do something. Do what? Do what? Get out of my compound now. Soria.
This whole thing is my fault. It's my fault.
Anna. Please stop crying. He will be found.
What if he dies? What if he dies?
Nothing will happen to him. I believe he's still alive. You just have to stop doing this to yourself. Please. Don't like seeing you like this. Please stop crying. Stop. Nothing will happen to him.
Have you come here again to insult us?
I need your help, please.
Go away. We cannot help you. I cannot help you.
No, you have to help me, please. You have to help me. If you don't help me, my father will be into lots of trouble.
Shh. Don't wake my mother. Go.
Please. Please. Where are you? Where are you?
I wonder why you are yet to open your eyes. Look at you, handsome and full of life. Did they not say that I would die without a man? The gods have proven them wrong. I now have a man of my own. Yes.
Nine. It's like there's nobody. Yeah, Boma.
Yeah, Boma.
We have finished fetching the water for our mother.
Ah.
Yes.
Push, come.
Da, will you tell us the story of Mama Lizzy today?
No. I will tell you a story I have never told you before.
It's all my fault, Mother. Not your death. It's my fault. I will mourn you till the day I die, Mother.
Senab. Ora Galea. Etu Lulu. Obalora. Osete. Adechena yetu to leboji.
I have come to ask for a favor. A big one. And I'm willing to put my life on the line. Before you is the blood and the hair of the man I love so much. The blood and the hair of my mother. I want to unite with them in the afterlife.
Are you saying you want to die and join them in the spirit world?
Yes. There, I will ask forgiveness.
And what happens to the seed of OBIO that grows in you?
His seed truly grows in me?
You are carrying your mother in your womb. And if you die, she dies forever.
Then help me. I want to unite with them. Please.
The only way you can do that is to wait when they come back again.
I will wait for them.
What did you just say?
My love for OBIO is unwavering. I will wait for him.
But there is a problem. Your mother might return soon, but it will take many years for Biaso to return.
Echieteka, great one. I have heard stories of how your grandfather brought Ochongala back to life, made her younger than her mates and her offsprings. If your grandfather can do it, you too can do it. Please.
You are not Ochongala, and I am not my grandfather.
Ochongala was his concubine. I am not too ugly to be your concubine for one night. Please. What next?
Find a virgin boy, lure him into your heart, make him swim in your river of bliss overnight. With that, his life and the lives of all that are coming after him will be spread into you, and you will live forever.
That is all?
Have this. Spread this in your river of bliss before he swims in there.
Thank you. Echimere.
Greetings, Lord Joseph.
How are you?
I'm well.
Hey. And you went to get firewood?
Yes.
I have this pain in my neck. Please, can you help me fetch water?
Let me quickly keep this at home. I'll come and get you some.
Thank you.
Sorry about your pain.
Gods of our land, do not punish me for this. You're back already?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, keep the water at the back of the house for me.
Okay. There's no water pot over there.
Hey, there isn't. Very well then. Bring it into my room. Oh. Wait.
Let me fetch you one more.
Wait. Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Here.
Down, Ju.
Sit down. I want to ask you a question. Draw closer. Draw closer. How are you?
I'm well.
You're sweating, right? Have you ever seen the river between a man's legs? Never. Itching there. I want to show you. Would you like to see? Let me show you. have completed the ritual. What else should I do?
Nothing else. Go and live your life. You will live forever, younger and even prettier, until the return of your loved ones.
Thank you.
That was how Ojigo became ageless.
Where does Ojigo live now?
She lives in our tales, our stories.
I will fetch some firewood for you so that you can tell us another story tomorrow.
Yes, you tell us if her mother came back.
Yes, her mother came back. Don't worry. I will tell you the whole story tomorrow. Huh?
Thank you, Dabo.
Thank you, Dabo.
You're welcome.
You have to
Please, greet your mother for me.
We will.
Okay,
thank you.
Why are you here?
I know who we are. Please, I have come to apologize.
She doesn't need your apology. Go home to where you come from.
Ojugo, my love.
Our cause shall go with you.
Ojugo, my love. Please forgive me. Please take this curse away from me. Please.
Give him some palm wine, child.
I don't want to drink palm wine.
Then you will never get my forgiveness until you do.
Please. I'll go and tell my mother that I have found a wife.
Where you go,
you are alive. You are alive. My love. My love.
Strange feeling.
Obi!
Let us go home. He must be angry with you.
Does he think I wanted my father to kill him?
Turubamba hey ya ya. Ihulava iga makwaya. Mbihuri hunanya iga makwaya. You never
Mother.
know where it will come.
Mother.
But where it finds you.
Oh, my son. My son. You are still alive. Eh? Oh, my God.
Mother, I have found the woman I want to marry.
What? What are you talking about?
I have found Ojugo, my love in my first life.
Ojugo. Ojugo.
Ojugo? How possible is that?
I heard rumors that she's still alive.
How possible can that be? Ojugo died even before I was born. Udago, my grandmother told me stories of her.
Did she tell you nobody knows how and when she died or where she was buried?
Nobody tells you things like that in a folk tale.
Now let me remind you what the seer said 4 days after Ini was born.
His greatness will come forth when he meets Ojugo.
Ojugo, the fortune teller?
Yes.
But Ojugo does not exist.
She does.
She does. The fortune teller.
Isinu said that?
Yes, he did. I never took it seriously until Obimere came back today to say he has found Ojugo.
How true is this? That you came home with the news of getting married to Ojugo?
I love Ojugo. My heart lives with her.
What did she give you to eat?
Dear Decoding, do not pretend as if you've not heard of the love story that exists between me and Ojugo in my first life. We are going for our marriage rites on AK Day.
You and who are going for her marriage rite?
You will follow me to her place.
Of course, I will not go to a place that does not exist.
Ojugo exists and I will marry her! What do you want me to tell you?
The truth. Is it going to be heard that Ojugo was never dead? Is it going to be heard that my brother's son, Obimere, will marry a woman that has been existing in ages?
Dikeh, people kill people in their stories.
Are you saying people kill Ojugo in their stories? Our grandfathers kill Ojugo in their stories. Do they not know that she's still alive?
I will not answer that question. If you want to know if Ojugo is still alive, follow Obimere to the house.
No. I will not go with him. It will not be heard of. No.
It is your decision. Edegobe, please, let me attend to the gods.
Please, my love, please. Don't leave me because of my father, please. You know I won't survive it. Please, I beg you. Please. Please, tell me, because...
Get up.
No. I will not get up from here until you forgive me. I won't get up.
Fine. I've forgiven you. Now get up.
You have? Thank you. Can I come and see you tomorrow?
If you like.
Okay.
Ulima. Is it what I'm thinking?
I do not want to tell him about it yet.
Why? You have to quickly tell him so that he can come and pay your bride price immediately.
No. I want to be sure I still love him. I want to be sure I've forgiven him.
You're not sure you have forgiven him and you left me between your legs.
Why has he not visited me yet?
Ulima, you have to go and tell him you're carrying his child. Because I will not spend anything raising his child for him.
Why are you here?
I have good news.
I thought we agreed to end it there.
Yes, we agreed. I was so excited that I forgot about what we talked about. You should hear me out.
So what is it?
I am pregnant with your child.
What did you say?
Did you hear what I just said? I said I am carrying your child. Wait, does this news upset you?
No! No, it's a good news. Oh, see, please, you have to go, eh? I'll come see you. I'll come over.
She's lying, isn't she?
Leave.
If you tell me she's lying.
You must be Ulima, the one who thinks she's the most beautiful.
You charmed and lured my man into your bed.
No, I did no such thing. You know, when it comes to matters of love and emotions, bed does not really matter.
Obi, why? How could you make a fool of me? How could you be this heartless? I will never forgive you this time. I will not.
Don't you dare go after her. If you do, I will get rid of this child.
What happened? Did he deny it?
That evil woman from Anita is pregnant for him too.
What? How would a woman be this callous? Huh? Men are evil. Poor sweet.
I am ashamed of myself. I just want to kill myself. I want to die.
You cannot kill yourself because of a dog. I know what to do.
I want to die.
Obiasogo, the man that came back as Obimere. Tell me, what bothers you?
Why did I come back?
You came back for a purpose. And what sort of purpose will make me impregnate two women at the same time? Is Ojugo pregnant for you already? I wish she's the one pregnant. I know Loma's mother must have pushed her to get pregnant for you. But that will not stop you from achieving your purpose.
But nobody wants to follow me there to do the marriage rites.
There are men from that clan who are willing to follow you. Yes.
Mother, my wife is here. Ojugo, meet my mother.
Can you remember me?
Have we met anywhere?
Yes, we have met before. I was the woman who almost died of snake bite. If not for you.
I do not still know where I met you.
We met at Ameke. Yes.
I've not been in Ameke before.
Then you look so much like the woman who healed me. So why are you here?
Mother, like I said, Ojugo is my wife. She's her daughter.
Her daughter?
Yes.
She's angry.
She is. But we are not living here.
Don't worry, listen.
The trick didn't work.
Did you use it on Ojugo?
I couldn't look at her on the face. I used it on her mother.
Her mother? Did she come with her mother?
That is why I am angry right now. They came with loads.
If I were you, I would have used some men to throw them out of my house. Yes. I know what to do.
Yes. What to do? It has happened. My son has finally brought that ghost home. Hey!
Who could have allowed him to take her away without his kinsmen being present?
How do I know? All I know is that I want them out of that house.
Udako, we are not going to take it with strong hands. For if we do, they might take his spirit away.
Nai, you talk as if you want him to marry her.
Udako, but you told me what Isinu told you about them.
Yes.
I advise you, go home and live with them in peace.
I should go home and live with them in peace. There will be no peace in that house. Yes.
Then, do what you like.
I will do what I like.
Mother, you called me.
Yes. What did you say about that old woman?
You heard what I said. Ojugo is her mother.
Wait. Is she the reincarnation of her late daughter, or I don't understand?
Mother, Ojugo is her mother. Is that why you called me out here?
If she's the daughter of that old woman, that makes it all mysterious. I have to do something. How on earth is that possible? Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
If we were thinking the same way, we wouldn't be here.
What are you saying?
Udako, you are a gadfly. Remember what I told you a few days after the birth of Obimere? Why do you want to twist the wish of the gods?
What I saw in my house cannot be the wish of the gods. It is strange!
Udako! I do not wish to talk about this anymore.
Please, you have to help me. I will pay you.
No, Nick. You don't need to pay me. I will do it. I'll bring his mind back. I will.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
How could you? How could you do this to me? You got me pregnant and went on to marry another. Why? So it's you. You have succeeded in having him with your lies and fake fortune telling. What do you want? I want you to leave my man. I am pregnant with his child.
That is good news. I will ask him to marry you as his second wife, so you can bear us children.
Have to kill yourself over this. I believe another man will come.
Another man will come. That was the exact same thing you told me before he came. Now he's with that evil, strange Ojugo.
Honor, I had a dream. In that dream, you were dancing with Obi and people. Plenty people were clapping and cheering you up.
You don't tell me that. Don't tell me that to suit me. Well, I had a dream too.
And in my dream, Obi was drifting away from me into her arms. I may never have him again.
You are wrong. You are carrying Obi's child. Honor, if I were you, I will go and live with him there. Once you have him a child, he will have no other option than to send that evil woman away.
You're right. I am going to give him a child. Yes. But another woman is pregnant for him.
Another woman?
Yes.
And who is the woman?
The woman from his clan.
And that will not stop you from being his first wife. Ona, you are the daughter of Okedega. No man would want to make you his second choice.
You're just saying that to give me hope.
Oh no. You are hope. You are beautiful. Stand up. Stand up and fight for what is rightfully yours.
Are you not going to say anything?
What do you want me to say?
You started all this, so you should find a way to fix it.
Don't you dare raise your voice at me.
I am saying the truth.
Which truth?
If you did not send Obi to Ojugo, this wouldn't have happened.
How would I have known that Ajogo still exists? How would I have known that she's still alive?
So you wanted him dead? You wanted him dead for loving me? You wanted him dead because you wanted Dubisi to marry me? But then why? Why?
What are you doing in my house?
No.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing here?
He's the man I told you about.
I know him. And I don't want him here.
He has good intentions. He wants to marry me. He's a noble man.
I said I don't want him here. Young man, leave my house. Get out of my house. Go away.
Wilima! Wilima!
My love, I'm sorry about what my mother did.
I am not angry with her. I care so much about her, and I'll do anything for you.
Ulima, I'm going to your house.
I cannot remember inviting you to my house.
I'll be waiting.
Yeah. My in-law. Welcome. Please sit down.
I came in respect of what we discussed the last time.
I've told her everything. She's waiting for you. She can't wait to be your wife. Because she has no choice than to marry you. Because they're the best thing that would ever happen to her.
You have promised me this before. And I've been waiting patiently. You see, I hate embarrassment. The other time I saw her frolicking with that Reef village local champion. I hate being embarrassed. I keep my words, and I want your word to be your bond.
Mine is my bond too. Don't mind her. It's only distracting her, but she's already your wife. She's made and prepared for you. She has no choice than to marry you.
You're really encouraging me.
Yes. Oh, Uli is here. Uli, come and sit here. Lucy is here to see you.
Ulima, how are you?
Ne, I have said it, and I am saying it again, that I am not interested in any discussion that has to do with him.
Uli, please come.
Ulima! Uli!
Oh my God. She's only but a child. And she'll behave like a child. Don't worry, I have everything under control. She will marry you.
Ne.
Yes.
I don't want to run out of patience.
You won't.
You know you stand to gain a lot if I become your in-law.
I know.
I cannot be tolerating this all the time from her. Please, do your work.
I am doing that already.
I beg to take my leave.
Thank you. Send me well to your father.
Yeah, excuse me.
Ulima! Uli!
If you do not let me marry Obi, I will kill myself.
That boy is full of course. Haven't you heard he came back to this life a second time with Omen?
I know you're saying all that because you want me to change my mind.
Ulima, why do you love him this much?
Mother, he's a noble man. He's kind.
In that case, send for him. I would like to see him. Do you really love my daughter?
Yes, I love her so much.
What can you do to keep her love?
I'll do anything.
There are stories going around that you came back to life a second time with Omen.
Mother, please stop.
If you doubt it, go to Ojugo the seer. She will confirm it. And if she says you're destined to marry my daughter, come back. I will let you marry her.
Ojugo? But I don't know her.
Go and look for her. You said you'd do anything to keep my daughter's love.
That was how you sent him to her.
Did I also send you to go and open your legs to him? You shamelessly sold your respect.
I cannot take this. I will kill myself. Don't you die.
Go ahead and kill yourself. And I'm ready, prepared to bury you.
What? Una, please. In as much as I'm the one that advised you to go and live with him, your father asked me to tell you to come back, please. Really? Well, go and tell my father that he's not going to stop me this time. Una, please. How am I going to face him now? Should I go back? I should follow her. Hi. Ona, please. Ona!
Woman lives. Your house is the real Ojugo.
It's the real Ojugo. Fortune teller.
I do not want her in my house. How can she be real when her daughter is older than she is?
She is ageless. Oda kanka.
Then something must break it. Eh? I can put my life on it. I can even put my blood on this. Something must break it. Yes. What are you telling me?
I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Leave me alone.
What have I done?
What have you not done? You think I don't know you go around the village asking Ulima to marry?
Where did you hear that one from? Even if is she more beautiful than you? Come on.
She is, and you know it. Leave me, I want to buy some stuff from the house.
Stop now, stop. Even if she's beautiful, like you said, she's a daughter of nobody. Adugo! Adugo! Adugo!
Adugo, you're one of the richest men in this village, but you don't behave as one. Why do you like following me around?
You have captured my heart. Please, give me a chance. Okay, wait. Take this. I traveled to Umaro and I told them to specially make these deals for you. You like it?
Thank you. It's beautiful.
I will make more for you if you give me a chance.
I hope you will not break my heart.
Am I mad? I won't break your heart. Okay? I'll protect it instead.
Okay. Thank you.
Come on.
Let me see how you will survive this. You must die. You must die this time around. Let me see. I love this film.
Really?
It's so beautiful.
Like I told you, I'll get you more.
Seriously?
And not just that. I and my parents will come and see your parents.
You're welcome. I'm so excited. Let me run along. Can give my father this. I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Lima, what is the problem?
I have lost everything. I just want the ground to open and swallow me.
What happened?
My life is at the verge of being ruined by my mother's greed.
Lima, you still haven't told me what the problem is. What is it?
OBIO has found another woman.
What? Where were you when this happened?
I have lost everything. I have lost him. I have lost him.
Lima, my friend, I'm sorry. Just relax, stop crying. Okay, I'll come and see you this evening in your house. Oh, Biko, let me just get home and drop this firewood. Stop crying, please. I'll come soon.
What do you want? I didn't invite you here.
Please. We need to talk. We need to settle. I promise I will make it up.
Ulema, what have I not done to make you mine? I've done virtually everything to make you mine. But you chose to follow that useless path. I have everything in my disposal. Farmland, yam segment, yam barn, name it. But you ignored everything and said you were following your heart.
I was sorry in the past. I know for you. I gift all of my body to be with that to make you activate.
Mama, what are you saying?
I'm there now. I'll give you the whole of my body.
Please, just for you and you alone, take me home. Do to me what pleases you.
You say you will in love. I will pardon you for your always cherished and adored.
Why can't you take me home?
It's very comfortable. Just do it here. It's how it goes. Straight
Finally, I found peace. Now, my child will not be without a father. I will prepare a good meal for him. Yes.
You are not happy. What happened?
The gods have finally smiled at me.
The gods have finally smiled at you. How? Have you settled with Obi Mary?
You will hear the good news later.
Hey! So she is still alive? So this woman is still alive. I said it. I said it that she is not an ordinary woman. I said it. I know. Hi. If I don't kill her, if I don't kill this woman, I will not be happy all my life. I must kill her. I must kill her.
Where do I take this food to? To his house or the bush? I hope I'm not doing something stupid. What if he finds out that I'm carrying another man's child?
love. I brought food for you.
What kind of food did you bring?
Uba, you like it.
I don't want to eat Uba.
Should I prepare something else for you?
Something else like what?
Anything you like.
Well, the love of my life is coming with the food I want to eat. If he's bringing me food, I do go.
What is going on here?
Oh dear, it's calm. Ulema here brought food from you.
Why? Why would you bring food for my man?
So this is how wicked you can be.
After what? Say it now. After what?
So you have been deceiving me.
Ulema. Your mother collected 100 yam seedlings from me with the hope that you're going to marry me. What happened again? She allowed you to marry a common tonto.
I do not love him anymore. In fact, I never loved him.
Stop lying, Ulema. I saw you in his house this morning. In fact, the whole village knows you are his. Stop it!
You think I don't know you're carrying a Mary's child?
Please, give us some space. We want to have a good time. Broken Ulima's leaves.
Say what boy, you know, Maya.
I didn't know you.
Love with you, oh well, go see Memonaru. Love Makakwa, oh well, go see Tamuno Bimo.
So you had the mind to plan to steal my man from me, eh? Do you remember? I came telling you, begging you that he loves you. But what did you say? You insisted that OBIO was the best man in this village. Ulema, what is wrong with you? Have you taken your time to look at Ndubisi? He has everything a woman would want in a man.
What does he have? What? 7 bands that he inherited from his father.
What are you saying? We are talking about one of the wealthiest men in this land.
Adugo. If you like him, go for him. As for me, I am taken. It is OBIO or none. Where is this from?
someone very special sent to you.
Someone special. I can guess. Messenger, go back to him and tell him I do not need anything from him. And also tell him that he is not special.
I wish I had a man that will have my time like he does. He's a caring man.
He's a caring man. I do not need it. Let me go home and take care of my sick mother.
Wait! Here you are crying like a baby. Anyway, Ndubisi is taking wine to my father tomorrow. You can cry as much as you can.
Mother, this will be your price for everything bad you've done.
And it will be said that Ulima took her own life, and the gods will make her suffer all her life. Let me help you with the rope. Let me. She doesn't want to die. How could you even try to take your own life? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? When you die, Opimere and his wife will walk around your own grave.
You're right. What do I do?
Ulima, you are a beautiful woman. Very beautiful. If you don't want to be his third wife, then you can wait for the gods to bless you with a man.
Do you think it's right for me to be his third wife?
Yes. You know you might just be the first to give him a male child.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
She used to be my very good friend.
The charm did not work on her. So that stupid Dibia gave me impotent charm that has refused to work on Ojugo. Oh, I have to do something. I have to do something.
What do we do?
What do we do? You and your mother started this. And you are here asking me what do we do? Hey, Ulima.
No, I have a solution. I have visited a strong medicine man who told me what to do to you.
I don't need your help.
Well, I'll go home.
Do not look at me like that. I've come to live with my man.
And who is your man?
Obi! Obi, I am here.
Are you here to live with your man too?
Mba, don't ask me stupid question. I am okay, the girl's daughter. I have come to live with my man alone. He is my man, and nobody will share with me. You cannot give him the kind of love I gave him. Only I can give him the kind of love I give to him. It's my man. Obi.
What is going on here?
Oh, my love. Please come and show me my place in your house.
Oh, Obi.
Mother!
With a broken heart, because of love, but I'm still waiting for love. Someone is still waiting for love. But I'm still waiting for love. Someone is still waiting for love. As time flies, age runs, sun will rise. My heart, oh my love, we stay. If a man banyo, if a man banyo, if a man banyo, makalo mama mo. Kankalo mama, kankalo papa mo. Kankalo mama, kankalo papa mo. Ayi, Ojungo, Omeleme.